This video will demonstrate how to properly use cardboard installation blocks to install a KOHLER Enameled cast iron shower base. This video is intended as a supplement. Refer to the installation instructions packed with your product for important safety information, required tools, and detailed installation instructions. Before beginning the installation, confirm the subfloor is level and will fully support the shower base. First, remove the installation block from the shower base and split it into two pieces. Next, install the drain to the bath. Then, with assistance, move the shower base into position in the shower area. Press an installation block onto each side of the front apron to the inside of the front feet. With assistance, carefully lower the shower base to the floor. Do not drop the shower base, as this could cause product damage or injury. Remove your hands from under the shower base. Adjust the base as needed so it fits properly in the stud pocket. Then, stand on the shower base to press through the installation blocks. Remove and discard the exposed portion of each block. Confirm the shower base is level. If needed, use metal shims so the base sits level. Complete the installation by connecting the drain pipe, installing the shower walls, and installing the bathroom floor. Finally, record the information on the enamel label for future reference.